Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leeoralexandra. If you're new, welcome to the baby elephant community. On this channel we talk about self-development, happiness, health, wealth, success, and the law of attraction. And on Mondays, I like to share law of attraction success stories with everybody so that we can all have our vibrations raised way up for the rest of the week. I like to remind everybody that miracles happen, magic happens, and yes, you do deserve to create the very best life, the life that you want to live. You are a magnet, you are a creator, you are the architect of your own life. The power is yours. Speaking of being wondrous creators, yesterday I got to meet a few baby elephants, and that was at my first ever public speaking event. I think there was just like 20 people there, but wow, it was absolutely incredible. I wanted to give a big shout out to the 5 Sense Collective in Malibu, to Kirsha and Drew for having me and allowing me to conquer this big fear of mine, which is public speaking. Speaking to over 100,000 people when I'm comfortable in my living room or in my bedroom, it's very different than seeing people eye to eye and talking to them. And that was a challenge for me, and I'm really happy that I had the opportunity for that growth. I'd love to do it again. It was really so nice to meet some of you. I want to give a big shout out to Zara, to Annabelle, Elizabeth, Rachel, Catherine, Chelsea, Eda, I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but you're the cutest ever. Dara, Nanor, and Nanor's friends, and Nanor's sister. I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming. Big shout out to you. And let's get into the video. I focused. Today I wanted to share the 5x5 method law of attraction success stories with you guys, because I did post a video about it last week. If you haven't seen it, if you don't know what the 5x55 method is, you can check out my last video. It'll be up here and in the description below. I know you guys, a lot of you aren't used to this new setup, but this is not going to be it. Once I have all my furniture back here, I'm gonna have my beautiful setup back with my Himalayan lamps and my degree and all the beautiful things that I've collected in my journey on YouTube. So don't worry, I know a lot of you are commenting that you missed that, but I am moving, so be patient with me. I'm gonna share with you guys a couple stories from the Facebook group and then my own success story. So before teaching you guys about any method to manifest, to deliberately create anything into our lives using the law of attraction, before I tell you guys about them, I always try them out myself. I don't like to teach you guys about things that I haven't been able to make work myself, because when I talk about something, I want to make sure that I truly believe in it. If I've seen it work, I'm talking about it. I did try it myself, and I'll tell my story a little bit last. I did a very general manifestation, but I think that this is a really good way to make things happen for you in general, and also very specific manifestations. Like, you could ask for happiness through this, or you could ask for $99. Like, it's up to you how specific you want to be. Going from the Baby Elephant Facebook group, I asked people to share their 5x55 law of attraction success stories. You know, sometimes I like to share my friends' success stories or my family, people that I know in real life who have done it, but everybody started to do this method when I posted it, and today would be the 4th day. So they haven't gotten back to me yet. So I will do another manifestation Monday all about the 5x55 method. Let's get into the stories. Thelma commented in the Baby Elephant group, and I really loved her story, so I'm gonna read it. I took part in a modeling competition in Japan, and I won it by using the 55x5 method. I first managed to manifest 2nd place by visualizing. I shot up from 4th to 2nd within a week. The top 3 will get into the grand finale. It was easier for me to believe I would get 2nd place instead of 1st. Sometimes that happens. It's a little bit easier for us to believe that I can get 2nd place. I can get 2nd best, because our belief systems make it so hard for us to believe that we are so magnificent and we can have whatever that we want. But it gets better. Then I decided to use the 55x5 method to manifest winning the grand finale. I got into the grand finale as the final finished yesterday, but then the management of the modeling company contacted me this morning to let me know they picked me as one of the 2 winners, even though the grand finale is on the 29th. So I'll be appearing in a famous fashion magazine in Japan. That is so amazing. Thelma, you are stunning. I'm so proud of you. That's just absolutely incredible. And it goes to show you, you can really make whatever you want happen. Just believe, allow yourself to believe that you deserve it. Then we have Kathleen, who did this a few months ago. So she wrote, I did it a few months ago to manifest a guy back into my life who had been distant, rarely replying to texts, etc. I sat outside in the sun in a beautiful park while writing and listening to a love / engagement playlist I had made, visualizing us being together. On the third or second day, he suddenly texted me while I was writing the affirmations and asked me to go on a date. A few minutes later, he called and we met that night. It started going out again from that day forward. The reason why I'm telling you Kathleen's story is because I love it, because she set herself up to manifest so well. Sitting somewhere where, you know, the sun is hitting you, the vibes are good, and you're just enjoying what you're doing. You're enjoying the manifestation process. That's going to accelerate your results so much. You have to enjoy doing this. It shouldn't feel like homework. It shouldn't feel like a drag. When others asked her what she wrote down, what was the affirmation that she chose, she said, I am so happy and grateful that I'm in a relationship with XY, the guy's name, which is so important because she's using feeling words. She's using emotions. And you know that is the secret to making, manifesting, deliberate creation work for you. And then we have one more, Ketura's story. And she wrote, I did 33 by 3 last week. If you watch my video, you'll see that you don't necessarily have to do 55 by 5. I wrote a budget and noticed that I was gonna have a tight budget after bills. My affirmation was, I happily attract a large sum of money. On the second day, I manifested $103. I went to pay a bill and I was informed that I was not due and I was able to hold on to the $103. I was so happy. And then a lot of other people were like, give me a few more days and I will give you my manifestation story. So yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't give you guys enough ample time to give me your story. So if you use the 55 by 5 method, hit the comments below and let me know. As always, I want you to tell me something good today for Manifestation Monday to make everybody in really high vibes, really happy for the rest of the week. If you want to know what I manifested before telling you guys about the 55 by 5 method, I did do 55 times, 5 days, and I wrote the Love Mastery program is a success. And I just wrote it over and over again. And though it was successful before, I saw a huge surge in students, and I started receiving even more emails and messages about success stories from my students. So I definitely saw a difference in my reality after using the 55 by 5 method. And at this point in time, it's Monday, September 10th, I have 553 students. So I would say that's a manifestation success story. I got 85 of those students just in the past week alone. Thank you everybody who signed up for that, and if you haven't yet, it's a good time to do so. Really good vibes right now with the fresh new moon, the 9s, everything that's going on right now. It's a good time. It's a good time for new beginnings. It's a good time to refresh and to just recharge your life. So that's it for this week's Manifestation Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed that. As always, make sure you go hit the comments and tell me something good. I want to know, have you manifested something recently? What's going on? What's good? What's been happening in your life? I want to hear all about it. And let's just add to the positive consciousness of the world. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until my next video, keep your vibrations way, way, way up. Bye.